It broke down. The second you woke up, it broke the support. You were my good luck. I was just waiting all night for this to break, and then my girlfriend or my fiance woke up, and then I ended up breaking it down right away. I'm in a very small position size, times 2 leverage, playing only literally like $30,000, like barely anything. I was just sitting here really quiet in bed, like not wanting to move. And then my fiance just woke up and boom, it literally just popped to the downside. Yeah, man, that's what you gotta do. Now you just gotta turn on the chandelier exit indicator and to see how far down this is gonna indicate for me to buy it or to sell it. Let's just give it a little bit more of a go. Come on, give me a push. Yeah, baby. Easy this morning, easy. It broke the support hard. If it broke the support hard, it's gotta continue downwards, right? You know what I mean? So the support was held there since like 5 o'clock in the morning for like an hour. That means that it's got to continue its downside, right? So, yeah. So you can't just close your position right away, right after it broke 13, right? You have to continue to ride this to the downside more. So I'm going to ride it to about $12, and then I'm going to close it, and then we'll see what we can do. Nice, $3,000 up here. Perfect. It's pretty good position size so far. I like this a lot. Keep going. Just give me a little bit more and I'll close my position. One more push to the downside and I'm done. Because I think there's going to be a rally wave up now. That counter push. This was really big. This was like I'm only in it for $30,000, right? As you see. I'm in it for since 1347. I'm literally up about 10% right now. Let's take a look. So this is a really big number. All that I did was just wait. I just waited and I saw this right here on the 15-second chart. I saw it like this, okay? Like literally I saw this curvature or this slope. Okay? That slope right there. Sorry for all the mess, but I need that indicator on right now. I saw that, and as soon as it broke, I added more to my position size, and I'm like, yeah, it's breaking up. Or breaking down, rather. So this is really nice right now, but there's got to be another wave to the downside, you know? There's got to be more waves upon waves. There's gonna be a bigger wave even. So it might be very immature or premature of me to close my position early. I'm in bed right now trading. I literally woke up half an hour ago or an hour ago and I was just staring at this. My lady's my good luck charm, of course. She's always whenever she wakes up, it's always like good news. It's like boom, the market's gonna move. So I'm like conditioned to wait for her to wake up. I'm always up early. I'm always up like at usually 3 in the morning. I'll sleep like at 10 o'clock at night. I'll wake up at 3 for the market because that's when the market starts to open or close rather. So here we go. Here's the next big wave coming down. Ready for it? It's coming down all right. There we go. It's gonna come down. It's gonna break this probably very soon. I think it's gonna break it. I'll probably go for my close like around 11.5. Ooh, that's not nice. Ooh. We don't want that. It's very volatile right now. It's moving up like 2-3% in a 15-second candle. You know, a lot of people can't handle trading in this kind of condition, right? In this kind of market. So you got to be able to you got to be really good in this market to be able to trade on 15-second time frames. It's just a corrective wave up in my opinion. Corrective wave is like 5% up though. That bothers me a lot. Shit. Is it going to bounce right back up there? That's the worrisome part, right? Like, is it going to get back into that support range? The answer is probably not likely. Yeah, probably not likely is the answer, right? So, should continue its momentum to the downside now. It's really volatile. That was the ABC upwards, so I think it's going to continue downwards now. Yeah. give me a good momentum. The 30-second indicates a sell already. The 1 minute still in the sell mode. So the Chandler exit, I'm just gonna ride it on the 30-second time frame, I think, to see where it goes. Or probably maybe a 2 minute. It's somewhere between a minute and a 2 minute. Because the 2 minute is really close to the supports up there. I just like the way it's positioned. I think this is gonna drop down a lot more. I think I'm gonna take a $5,000 profit. I'm playing $30,000 once again. I've got like $16,000 on this account, and I've already added $2,600 to it. You don't need to play a big amount to make a lot of money. Excuse the rain sounds that I have in the background here, or the fan sound. I sleep with the fan, white noise always going on the phone. So it's really nice to be able to wake up to this kind of profit, wouldn't you agree? Like, just waking up to this kind of profit is absolutely amazing. I'm not going to be working today because I'm packing again, right? I'm moving in a few weeks. This is definitely going to break to the downside. There's no reason why it should hold. You know, it's like, you just got look at those red gigantic candles. It's going to smash it in just a few seconds probably. There's no volume even supporting it. The price action is just crazy. And here we go. There we go. Nice. So I entered a really great position here. Let's see the white line on the top there. That was the support that was holding. On top of this one, that like both of these white lines, the one I just drew, and that other support over here, it was just holding, right, holding. So as soon as that white line, I'll make it yellow. The yellow line broke there. I ended up entering a position there. I'm playing only ×2 leverage. I'm gonna close my position right now for a huge gain. There we go, closing it right now for about $4,000, I believe. Let's double check this. I closed it for $4,100 profit here in a very short space too. The time that took me to short it, I entered at 6:39 and I closed at 7:19, so a 40-minute trade here. Okay, so 40-minute trade, and the biggest reason for entering it, right, was because that white line, first of all, like, you got to be able to identify clearly the horizontal one. Okay, the horizontal one was being identified, like kind of like right there or so, whatever. You know what I mean, right there. And also you got to take a look at the yellow line too, right? Do you see the yellow line? It's forming that slope support, right? So I told my group hard as well that, like, if these supports break, that you gotta enter the trade. Check it out. Right, I told the group right here that we have another break to the downside. Right here. If it breaks, you're gonna basically be entering a trade. So you just gotta play supports and resistances, one support and one resistance at a time. If you look on the higher picture, right, you see kind of this, but that's not holding for shit. This is going straight to $10 in my opinion. Yeah, $10. That's where it's going. So I'm gonna probably do a really large long entry on spot for around $10. So cheers, guys, to a $4,100 morning so far. Bye now. So Luna got to $10. Psychological factor, really important. You got to reduce your position size if you're even attempting to scalp this. Okay, I made a 13% profit with a $30,000 position. Actually 14%. Made $4,100 really quickly earlier. Like, that's huge, right? 13% gain. I mean, I could play $250,000 if I wanted to, but you don't want to do that for a coin like Luna. If you can exercise your discipline and you can reduce your position size and you don't go for the profit and you actually go for just making good trades, you can make money in this kind of market. But everybody's greed always gets in the way, right? Like, I'm literally leveraged ×1 right now. That's it. I'm playing literally $10,000 right now in this position. It's really small, right? I understand that there's so much risk involved to leverage and play really big. So I'm not going for the money. I'm not going for the dollar sign. I'm just going for good trades that keep me safe and away from the dangers in this type of market, right? So I'm okay to make, for example, $400 right now. Here's a $400 profit, which is a 4% profit, literally playing with a $10,000 position, right? I'll show you guys. Check it out. I'll show you my last two trades right here, okay? You can see yourselves. So this is my first trade. See the top one where I closed it, the red, the top one here just made $435, and the last one that I closed right here, the big one, was right here. This was the short that I closed at 20 with 2,500 coins, third from the top. This one here was $4,100. So I literally made today. I made $4,500 today, 4,600, just playing very small position sizes. Am I gonna get greedy? No. Right? A lot of people are like, "Oh, I missed this opportunity. I could have made more here." But man, you gotta be careful. You gotta be grateful for the profits that you make. And the best traders are the ones that are really defensive. They're not the ones that are offensive. The best traders always think about, hey, how much money could I lose? How much money could I be losing? Not how much money I could be making. So this is the difference between a good trader and one that's greedy. Looks like this coin's gonna go, huh? That might have been the fifth wave that's finishing. I don't know. It looks like it. I don't know. I can't tell. I'm making a video just so you know you're laughing in it. You're laughing in my video just so you know.
Huh?
You're laughing in my video just so you know.
No, it's not.
I'm recording one. So I'm like, she's gonna watch it later and be like, yeah. So that's 1, 2, subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe? I don't know. Shit, I don't fucking know. One more down, a few more down, I think, and then we're good. It seems like $10 really wants to find resistance. Or support, I mean, support. Nice, here's a rundown. Let's see if we can break that low of 940. Can it break 940? I think it will. Yeah, it will. So much pressure to the downside right now, but $10 is definitely going to be a strong contender to hold up for a little bit. The 5 looks like it wants to drop down, honestly, to like $8. It does. I'll increase my leverage to ×2 here. If it drops, I'll short another 1,000 coins, which looks like it's about to, like literally right now almost. If it takes out the previous low, I'm going to short it and add more to my position. That low right there, around the 970 range. It's getting pretty tight right now, very tight. Ooh, so much volatility right now, it's crazy. Looks like it wants to smash down. Is it going to break? Let's see, let's see. I'm going to add more if it does. I'm going to go to a higher time frame though, so I don't jinx myself out and entering too early on a low time frame. Because low time frames, they can be really misleading. Is there momentum? Is there momentum? There's the touch. There's a touch. There we go. I think this is a good one. Oh, not quite. It's all right. Oh, it's all right. I think it's going. It's going. There we go. It's going. It's going hard. Let's go. Just give me like 2-3 percentages and I'm good. I'm only playing $20,000. Like, you know what I mean? $20,000 is nothing. Oh, there we go. It's going. Come on. Give me a little bit lower. Go lower. Come on. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Push, push. I need a better wick than that. Oh, frustrating. There we go. That's a good enough one for me. That's good. Boom, right there. Let's see how much I took in. Ha. That was a good trade, right, guys? $20,000 position. $20,000 position for $900 profit, 4.5%. Ah, that's so sweet. So here are my 3 trades today. See the top one? That's my close for $900. And then the other one was another short right here. Actually, no, I longed it, my previous one. The third one from the top, I longed it, I think. I gotta find it. Oh no, those are my short entries. Let me find them, let me find them. Okay, this is my second one right there. The previous one for another 435. So that's 1,300. And then I had a big one. I had a big one earlier, like right in the morning. Right here, baby, $4,100. So today I'm up $5,500, and it's about 8:45 in the morning right now.